Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, October 31st, 2016. Happy Halloween. The markets don't seem to be spooked today. Looks like we have futures trading up 4 3/4 points to 21.28 per contract. Right now, futures are holding steady. This comes after the big FBI probe was announced on Friday into Hillary Clinton's emails, and we'll see where we go from here. But nonetheless, markets are trading up this morning by about 5 points ahead of the opening bell, and we'll see where we go once this day gets underway. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. First one I'm going to start off with is Baker Hughes. This news actually came out on Friday, but we got more specifics today. Baker Hughes and General Electric are going to combine their oil and gas properties. It looks like Baker Hughes is going to get a big dividend payment out there. So the stock is trading up nicely. Closed at $59.12. Today it's trading at $63.30. This is a very overbought equity. There's still a lot of resistance at $66. You could read more about the specifics of the deal, but nonetheless, stock is getting a good pop. And if you own Baker Hughes, really just trail the stop loss. There's really nothing else to do. I wouldn't be a buyer up here at these levels, but you can, if you do own it, you just trail the stop loss here. General Electric, who is the partnering company here, they're trading up also around 29.60, closed at 29.22. So you got a little bit of an uptick there. I do think General Electric's probably nearing a little bit of a low over the last few days. So that stock actually could have upside, maybe to $29.50 to $30. Well, it's at $29.60, so we'll say it could probably go to $30 and a quarter. I just don't see more upside in GE past that level at this point in time. Next up, we're going to take a look at Level 3, LVLT. They are being bought out by CenturyLink. So right now at Level 3, I believe the share price is somewhere around $60, but you could check it out yourself. Right now the stock is trading around $57.33. Briefly got above 60. This is a little bit overbought here, but if you own it, just trail the stop loss or take your money off the table. This is a takeover. Let's take a look at CTL, which is CenturyLink. And what you're going to see there is that stock is the acquirer. They are trading right now at $27.50. I like this stock around $25.75. So keep CenturyLink on the radar today. If it gets down to around $25.75, there should be very good support there, even with this deal. So keep that on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Cardinal Health. They were hit on Friday in sympathy to McKesson. Looks like they came out with earnings. Stock closed at $67.50. It is now trading at $70.40. So good little pop up there for Cardinal Health. Again, I don't know how much upside is in the cards here, but what we will do is look at this one when the opening bell rings, and we'll see what kind of pattern is made on the charts, and we'll take it from there. But not much else we could do with that one. But Cardinal Health trading up a little bit right now on the back of earnings. Let's take a look at Diamond Offshore. It looks like they had earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at 17 and a quarter, closed at 17.16. Can't make much out of that. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Not a lot to do ahead of it. Let's take a look at CHKP, which is Checkpoint Software. I believe they had earnings. Looks like the stock right now is trading at $83 on super light volume though. So again, my big resistance for Checkpoint today would be around $84.25, possibly $84.50. But again, once it gets to that 84 and a quarter level, watch, there should be very good resistance there. So I don't think there's much more upside past that level. So if you own it, trail the stop loss as much as you can. Once you get to 84 and a quarter though, get ready to either tighten that stop or take it off the table, because there should be very good resistance around that point. Let's go to Nike. This stock was downgraded today. It looks like stock right now is trading at 51.13, closed at 52.02. I still don't see the strength in Nike right now. I know the stock's getting downgraded at a low, but I'm still not really seeing a whole lot of strength there. I'd rather see Nike prove itself. Again, downgraded at lows is always a little telltale sign that the stock is close to bottoming, but I'm just not seeing it yet on the charts. Let's take a look at Southern Company, which is SO. And what you're going to see here is this company reported earnings today. This is a utility right now trading at 51.10, closed at 50.70. When I look at the charts, I got to think around 52 and a quarter, 52.50 around there, you have a lot of resistance, so no real play on it one way or the other. Let's shift gears here right now. Let's go over to the gold market. We have gold futures trading down $2.40 to $1,274 an ounce. We have crude oil trading down 58 cents to $48.13 a barrel. So oil and gold just slightly lower, and we'll see where this market goes today. This is a Halloween Monday, so we'll see how this all plays out. We'll see if it's a trick or if it's a treat. Right now, markets aren't telling us all that much, so it's a little bit of a surprise. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. We've had a sensational year in the chat room. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of 2016. Have a great trading session, and happy Halloween.